Alright, we're going to show the Milwaukee cable stripper. So insert into there. Wham! Done. It's got a cool little adjuster right here, so you can adjust up to 3 inches. And I have it adjusted about 1.5 inches. Like so. Clamp it down. There are different size stripping heads. This is an RHW, RHH, and a USE cable. We're using it on what is this? This is 4/0, but I'm using a 3/0 die because the 4/0 doesn't fit with the jacket because it's different. So for some reason they have a standard die and they have a compact, or a C. I'm assuming it's compact. But so this is what we had. We have a 650 or 600 KC mil thhn. We use the 600 thh and thwn die, and it won't fit over the insulation. So apparently we have the C. We need the standard. So here it is. Makes life pretty simple. Quick detach. Little button right here, and then this little pin that it connects into. Clicks forward and backwards. Sweet.